Okay, so I have some super exciting news to share with you. And first off, this is not a paid advertisement. However, it's something I know it's going to be very beneficial, so I wanted to share it with you. Dr. Gabor Maté, he's a medical doctor, a best-selling author on the subjects of emotional and social trauma, as well as many other topics. And right now, he has a workshop going that is only $100. And if you think that that might be a lot and you're not sure about it, hold on with me for just a minute because this may be the best $100 you ever spent in your life. So if you are a parent who's had a challenging relationship with your parent or parents, and or you're a parent who has a child and you have a challenging relationship with that child, I highly recommend this. When you click on the page to express interest, it'll send you a 90-minute video about what it's about with some examples of what to experience as a part of the workshop. And this is all before you pay $100 to commit to it. They want you to know what it's about and for you to make a decision about whether or not it's going to be beneficial to you. I can almost guarantee you that this will be beneficial to you. And it's going to be healing not only on a relationship with your child or parent level, I can practically guarantee you it's going to improve all relationships in your life. It's going to open up the floodgates of a different perspective on seeing the world and how you engage with it and your actions with others. So I highly recommend that you check the profiles that I am going to tag below in the description and go check them out. See if it's something that you might like.